In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube password if you forgot it. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And it doesn't matter if you are logged in your account or you are logged out, there is a way to see your password without restoring them. And now I'll show you how to do that. So first, open up your settings and then scroll down until you find passwords. And here you see all the passwords that were saved on your Apple ID, and you can try to look for YouTube. Here you can scroll down or you can use search bar to find the YouTube site. I don't have YouTube here, but I can show you on the Twitter example how it works. I just select the website and here I see the pair of username and password for the specific user. Now the password is hidden, but if I tap on that password it will shows up and I'll be able to copy that password and then use username and password to log into my YouTube account. That's how it works, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.